Welcome to the Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Eita. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at can you go a little bit back so that she can appear? Yeah, she's fine. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye 2. It's a cup, Nedbank Cup. My brother, how's it?
Good, thanks. And how are you, Mr. Ngombo?
Good, man. My sister, are you good?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, man.
Yeah.
Your thoughts about the game tonight?
Yeah, actually, we are, as Sundowns fans, we're disappointed for about the 2 goals. You know, we were expecting we were gonna.
Clean sheet.
It was going to be a clean sheet, you know.
Yeah.
But anyway, it was a second tier playing. Actually, not even the guys from the bench. You know, the third tier of Sundowns.
Exactly.
You know, so they did their best. You know, very proud that we are progressing to the next round. You know. But you know, we just want to. This is sort of a warning shot to other teams. You know, we are not to be taken granted. Take us granted on your own will. You know, we are here to make sure that we win this cup. We're taking this home. So this is the first step amongst other hurdles. You know. But then let me promise you, Sundowns is going to win. Sundowns is going to go all the way. You know, we lost in the final.
Exactly.
Right. We are very angry.
And twice, not just once.
Twice.
Exactly. Against the same team.
Against the same team. Imagine that.
That's a big grudge.
But that was too much. But then we are here to win it. I just want to say one thing about one player, Kodisang. You saw how he was playing today? He's one of my favorite players. I wish he could do more of that. I wish I can see him maybe in CAF Champions League or Premiership. You know, but all in all, we are happy. And those who came here with bad slips, my bad, brothers. Askis.
My sister, and your side, what's your thought about the game?
I said it the last time and I'm going to repeat it again.
And then your thoughts on Jaden Adams' debut game?
No, he didn't play much. I cannot judge him of what he played today. I don't know, maybe it's a few minutes. But then it's a good signing.
Exactly.
It's a good signing. They spent money well spent there. It's gonna show us more. His young talent. You know, I know Sundowns has best coaches. No, they're gonna groom him. They're gonna make sure that he become the best player that he's supposed to be. You know. Anyway, we're happy for him. We wish him well. It's very tough to even break into the starting 11 in Sundowns. We wish him very well. We wish he could show us more. We wish what Sundowns signed for gets it at the end of the day.
No, thank you so much. Congratulations tonight and good luck in the future.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.